Unilever is a British-Dutch transnational consumer goods company co-headquartered in London, England, and Rotterdam, Netherlands. Its products include food, energy drink, ice cream and beverages, cleaning agents, beauty products, and personal care products. Unilever is the largest producer of soap in the world. Unilever is one of the oldest multinational companies. Its products are available in around 190 countries. Unilever owns over 400 brands, with a turnover in 2017 of €53.7 billion and 13 brands with sales of over €1 billion: Axe Links, Dove, Omo, Heartbrand Ice Creams, Hellmann's, Knorr, Lipton, Lux, Magnum, Rezona Degree, Sunsilk, and Surf. It is a dual-listed company consisting of Unilever NV, based in Rotterdam, and Unilever plc, based in London. The two companies operate as a single business with a common board of directors. Unilever is organized into four main divisions: foods, refreshment, home care, and beauty and personal care. It has research and development facilities in China, India, the Netherlands, United Kingdom and United States. Unilever was founded on September 2, 1929, by the merger of the Dutch margarine producer Margarine Unie and the British soap maker Lever Brothers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.